So Dave, that's actually where I was going. I think that's fantastic. Like, how should people, like, if they're listening to this and they have a family member maybe diagnosed with mesothelioma, what does that support network need to look like? And how is the care for that person or the need for that person as potentially their health declines? How do you should be looking at that, or what kind of resources or support to frame that up? What can you maybe go into some more detail of how to prepare people for this?
Well, it's one of those things that's sort of like being hit by a train, right? So you have to do the best you can, but get them to the right medical center, and then they're going to have support people there, and then we're behind them, helping them, making sure they get their finances straightened out. Social Security, there's a caveat to Social Security disability where people that have this disease are expedited. So instead of waiting 6 months, they only have to wait 20 days. So we make sure they're getting that. We have on many occasions got stepped into that process because people got confused, or the people in at the Medicare, Medicaid office in their area, so security office, weren't aware of these rules. We went to the meeting, or were on the phone with them in the meeting, or talked to the manager and said, no, 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 we're not waiting 6 months. They don't need to. It's 20 days. And we expedite that process. So, and then we also have a network of nurses and doctors and other support people out there that can help. Doctors that may not be treating that person, but still are able to talk to them and kind of walk them through the next steps, what they have to think about. And then if it's hospice or palliative care, when that comes, we also have people that can help them with that as well. So kind of walk them through that process, just hold their hand.